Clouds are low, the road feels long. Heavy drops keep falling down, but I hear your gentle voice saying, child, you're not alone. Every step you hold my hand, even when I don't understand. Through the tears, through the pain, I keep walking in the rain. Walking with you in the rain. By my side I feel no fear. When the night calls out my name, your love tells me you are here. Walking with you in the rain. Faith is stronger than the pain. I don't need to see the way, 'cause your light is leading me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Storms may rise, my heart may shake, still I trust the path you choose. Every drop becomes a prayer, falling straight from me to you. When my strength begins to fade, you remind me not to be afraid. In your grace, I will remain.